Hello friends, welcome to Amsterdam Beach, a serene and picturesque destination in the Netherlands. Today, we're taking you on a peaceful beach walk along the harbor. Notice the calm waters, perfect for a relaxing day out. The beauty of this location is enhanced by the clear, sunny weather, making it an ideal spot for both locals and tourists to unwind. Before we head ahead, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. As we stroll, you'll see people swimming, enjoying the sunshine, and taking in the beautiful surroundings. The harbor is bustling with activity yet retains a tranquil charm. Boats gently float on the water, and the sight of people diving in for a refreshing swim adds to the lively atmosphere. The beach is lined with charming cafes and restaurants where you can enjoy a delightful meal or a refreshing drink while taking in the stunning views. The combination of natural beauty and vibrant life makes Amsterdam Beach a unique and captivating destination. Feel the cool breeze and enjoy the scenic views of Amsterdam Beach. The sound of the gentle waves and the laughter of beachgoers create a soothing and joyful ambience. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and connect with nature. As we continue our walk, notice the diverse range of activities people are engaged in, from sunbathing to reading. There's something for everyone here. The friendly and welcoming atmosphere makes it a perfect spot for families, friends, and solo travelers alike. It's a perfect spot to unwind and appreciate the natural beauty and vibrant harbor life. Amsterdam Beach offers a harmonious blend of relaxation and adventure, making it a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the best of the Netherlands. Thank you for joining us on this delightful beach walk. Enjoy the serenity and charm of Amsterdam Beach, where every moment is a celebration of life and nature.